Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to update Chase Bank app. So if you also want to update Chase Bank app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. Updating this application is crucial for several reasons, including improved security, bug fixes, performance enhancements, new features, and ensuring compatibility with the latest technology. So if you also want to update the Chase Bank app, for that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Chase Mobile. Now you'll be able to see the search results over here. Over here, you'll be able to find the application for Chase Mobile. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now, you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your application will be updated. But if you do not see the update option over here and instead of it, if you see the open option, that means you're already using the latest version of the application. That means your application does not need to be updated right now. So like this, you'll be able to update the Chase Bank app. So that is how you update Chase Bank app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.